Okay, so welcome to ADLM Studios once again. This video is to guide you on how to purchase our products. Now you go to the product tab on ADLM Studios website, that's adlmstudios.net. You have the list of all of our softwares, right from HERON, which is for 2D takeoff, to QUIV, to MVP, and Regen softwares. Those are the 4 softwares from ADLM. So you'll be asked to sign in. So you sign in your account. If you are new, create an account. Then you select all of the softwares you want to pay for. Make sure you are selecting personal account. If you are selecting for your organization, probably multiple seats in your office, so you select organization. So select a year license and first time user, since you're installing for the first time. So you do that for all of them. So you select the total duration is a year license. Currently, as at the time we're making this video, we are running discounts on all of our softwares currently. That is why the total would be different from the actual it's supposed to be calculated. So we are doing it 1 year license for all of the softwares. I think we only did 1 month for QUIV, and the rest, so that's like 280 instead of around 300. So once you get the account details, you have to make payment to this account. Once you make payment, click I have paid. So when you click I have paid, you wait for confirmation. You go back to your dashboard while waiting for confirmation from ADLM admin. So if you need a receipt for your transaction, you can still check your order history, check your order ID. I can only send your order ID to the ADLM WhatsApp admin or ADLM mail. So the total is supposed to be 369, but you paid around 280 for a year license for all, except for QUIV that you did a month. So that is the total day. So you have to wait for a few minutes for the admin to approve. It takes literally 10 to 15 minutes. So once you've done that, you refresh your page. Once you refresh, admin would have gotten a mail also from ADLM stating that your purchase has been approved. Then you come down to order history, and I can now print your receipt. If you're for an organization, you just select print receipt to print your receipt there. So you can easily print this receipt, and this is the actual that comes up there, not with the discount. This discount you paid as at the period I'm making this video. So once you've checked all of that, you have to wait for installation. Then you go to installation tab. Now you have to go to the installation tab here. Then you scroll down to where you have installation details. Now you can either choose to wait for us to install, or you install directly from the ADLM installer hub now. So click on the ADLM installer hub, and it takes you to where you download the hub software. You download it from the drive here. So once you click on download, it downloads almost immediately. Then you can install. Okay, so if you are using Edge or Chrome, so I prompt you if you want to keep the software. So you click on keep. So make sure you select keep anyway here. Then it keeps it for you, downloads it. Now you can now run the installer hub. It's a very straightforward and easy to use software. Now once you open up the installer hub, comes up, you install, read whatever information we have there. Then next, create desktop shortcut. Make sure you do that. Next, then install. So now you installed the installer hub for all ADLM softwares, both current free and paid softwares. Now once you've installed the installer hub, you turn it on. Then you now sign in with your same login details. That is the website, the web account that you created, the same login details you used there. That is what you use. Every of ADLM software is just a single login details you use across, but to make your work easier and faster and seamless. Now this is the installer hub. So inside this hub here, you have the installation center where you can check the status of your softwares. When ADLM releases new updates to our softwares, you can get those information from the installer hub there. So you can easily go back to the installer hub here and quickly sign in. So once you sign in back to the installer, we have to check Once you've downloaded and installed the installer hub, make sure you contact the admin to tell them you've installed the hub. Once you've done that, you refresh your dashboard and reopen the installer hub. Now you see all of the softwares are in here already. Now it's now telling you to install or update. So I click on each of them, update. For my situation here, if you are installing for the first time, it will install. So you click on it, it downloads and it installs the softwares for you. It's very seamless and easy without any stress. So just stay while this completes its installation. I'm not skipping anything at this point. So this makes your installation very easy. Now it has installed and saved that of PlanSwift plugin. QUIV also, you can easily select the version of Revit you are installing for, either whatever version of Revit you are installing for, select it, then click continue install. Same for the MEP, you do that also. So select the version of Revit, so whatever version of Revit we are from 2024 upwards, 2024 upwards, they are all compatible with ADLM softwares and plugins. So also for PlanSwift 10 and 11 also compatible with ADLM softwares and plugins. So once you've done this, it downloads, installs. You can also see the installer, the Excel add-on and every other thing that's with all of the softwares. So stay tuned to this channel, as we'll also be uploading full detailed videos on how to use the software completely. I'll see you all in the next one. I remain ADLM. Have a nice day, and don't forget to like this video, follow us on our channel, and always leave your feedback also. Thank you.